To get the full value of joy, you must have someone to divide it with. Having someone wonder where you are when you don't come home at night is a very old human need. Those who are enjoying something are suffering something together. Companions, those who enjoy or suffer one another are not. You climb to the top of the world and jump into the deepest of raviness. But if you don't have someone to share it with, you will always be looking back. She was struck by the simple truth that sometimes the most ordinary things could be made extraordinary. Simple by doing them with the right people, and as radicals as it may sound, sometimes all any of us needs in life is for someone to hold our hand and walk next to us. Ultimately, the bond of all companionship, whether in marriage or in friendship, is conversation. Those who have never known the deep intimacy and intense companionship of happy mutual love have missed the best thing that life has to give. The act of quiet nighttime talking illustrates for me more than anything else the curious alchemy of companionship. A career is wonderful, but you cannot curl up with it on a cold night. I realize for the first time how very lonely I have been in arena, how comforting the presence of another human being can be. Often you shall think your road impossible, somber, and companionless. Have will and plod along and around each curve you shall find a new companion One may define flattery as a base companionship which is most advantageous to the flatterer's joy multiples when it is shared among friends, but grief diminishes with every division. That is life. We can say we love each other if my life is better because you are in it and your life is better because I am in it. Friends can create our most cherished memories. How we need that security, how we need another soul to cling to another body to keep us warm, to rest and trust, to give your soul in confidence. I need this. I need someone to pour myself into. There's a drive in a lost soul, in one that is searching for acceptance, companionship, belonging, whatever you want to call it. The slightest coincidence ignites a spark that one hopes will lead to something meaningful. You could hold me and I could hold you, and it would be so peaceful, completely peaceful, like the feeling of sleep but awake in it together. The solution to aloneness is not more solitude but companionship and community. I wanted only a familiar voice, someone who knew me, not some earlier larval version of myself. Anyone who imagines they can work alone winds up surrounded by nothing but rebels without companions. The fact is, no one stands alone. There should be a little gap between you and your friends, though you will miss their companionship and you will also miss their disrespect. Being apart was wrong. Simply lying side by side did more for a relationship than words, a warm bed, a nest of animal intimacy. Words could be misunderstood, whereas loving companionship breed trust. If his voice has not been the melody of my life, it's been the bass line so subtle you don't notice it until it's missing. When we cannot bear to be alone, it means we do not properly value the only companion we will have from birth to death, ourselves. An apple tree is just like a person. In order to thrive, it needs companionship that's similar to it in some ways, but quite different than others. Companions help is better than commitment, but sometimes showing love and care through communication is better than together. Some people will hear you louder in silence. Those are your tribe. They will get you through the tough days and give you something to laugh about on the ride. Sometimes you must embrace the feeling of being abandoned until your deepest self warms to the thought of you being its closest companion.